Hey everybody, crypto crash. Let me show you a couple things. I got a couple notes. Major outlets are running crypto collapse narratives and fear headlines about a looming market crash, with some analysis claiming Bitcoin could fall towards $10,000. So I saw this. I went on to mainstream media. I want to see what these guys are talking about. Let me just keep going before I show you that. So down here, whale losses going viral on crypto Twitter. A single whale is showing $55 million unrealized losses he didn't sell yet. And the reactions on X Twitter are spamming tickers. A classic volatile narrative. So all this drama, this is my AI agent helping me out with what's going on today on certain headlines and stuff like that. But it's doom and gloom. So here's what's really going on. Now, when you see negative headlines like this, go to on-chain data. So just real quick, there's these exchanges, OKX, margin trading launch. Oh, they're going to start loaning money on margin. You think things are shitty when these big exchanges are starting to do stuff like that? Trade tool or a time bomb? Question mark. So we don't trade on leverage, by the way, but come on, that's a heck of bullish in markets. Bing X hits 40 million users. Okay, that's a massive onboarding of users for Bing X. You think if things were bad, they wouldn't be onboarding users? OKX launches European spot margin trading. So OKX is also going to do margin trading. This is highly suspect, unbelievable. Okay, so backing that stuff up, the data is crazy. Look at this headline: Serious 2026 $3 trillion crypto collapse. The Fed warning is issued. Could be a $10,000 Bitcoin price predicted as crash fears swirl. Dude, if we are able to get Bitcoin at $10,000, ladies and gentlemen, we this is the luckiest thing in our lifetime that humanity will ever see ever. You're lucky. If you can buy Bitcoin at $10,000, please, Lord, have mercy on us. I would be jumping for joy. The Bitcoin price has fallen from a peak 126,000 per Bitcoin to just over 85,000, plummeting more than 30% as Tesla billionaire Elon Musk predicts the end of money. This is coming out of Reuters. What does that mean? By the way, 30% drop, people, we know 30 to 80 to 90%. We've seen Bitcoin drop 95% before in the past cycles. That doesn't phase us. Stop tripping. Reservations will likely drive the next recession, led by collapse is highly speculative. Unlimited supply, digital assets, most of which track nothing. Whoever wrote this is a moron. The main thing that makes Bitcoin valuable is because of its scarcity. The code is written to be give supply shock every 4 years. There's a Bitcoin halving that takes supply off the market. Here's the thing: it's unchangeable. You cannot change the code on Bitcoin's blockchain. You cannot change it. The word impossible actually applies to this narrative. It is not actually possible. You can go into the research that all you want. It's not possible. Okay, so doom and gloom. I mean, when we look at these things, people, it's hard to believe that somebody can write this right here. With a $3 trillion collapse, the entire cryptocurrency market is only 3.5 million trillion right now. So whoever's writing this doesn't really understand that there's been massive liquidity coming in from exchanges, from markets, from institutional money, from all the above. It's just bizarre that the adoption, we've never seen this before. These are opportunities. The doom and gloom is opportunities for us to pounce and capitalize on dollar cost averaging in our current positions. Okay. If you're interested, check out the other videos I did there. I also showed the 4-year cycle has been broken, everybody. The 4-year cycle has changed into a 5.4 cycle, according to Raoul Powell. Go look it up. I did a quick video. I showed a clip on him if you're interested. We come up with our own conclusions and figure out where we sit in our own positions. Everybody, thanks for checking in. Crypto Hop signing out. Thanks for your time and Merry Christmas, everybody. Peace out.